Now that you've created a story, it's time to add a credit screen to give credit to everyone who helped create your story. That might include you, your guru or host, or any of your neighbors. Really, anyone. To change backdrops in your story before, you may have added a backdrop, then programmed the story to change that backdrop, and then hidden the other sprites in the story. In this step, you'll learn a shortcut, so you don't have to code all those steps. To start, don't create a new backdrop. Instead, click Paint New Sprite. Now zoom out so you can see the entire Paint window. Credit screens usually have a black background, but you can make yours whatever color you like. Select the Paint button tool and the color you want. Click to use the paint bucket. Okay, good. Now you need to create a sprite for the credit text. Click Paint New Sprite again. Select the text tool and a color that will show up well on your backdrop. Then write your first piece of credit text. Play around with the font and color. If you want to change the size, you can do that with the Select tool. Once you've completed one credit, click Paint New Costume again and create more text. You can do this as many times as you would like. Once you have all your credits designed, it's time to program them to appear at the end of your story. Find the last piece of code in your story. This is where you'll broadcast to show the credits. Click Events and drag out a broadcast block. Create a new message and call it Credits. Now, click on the backdrop sprite. The sprite needs to hide at the beginning of the story and then show when the credits are broadcast. To do this, drag out a When Flag Clicked and a When I Receive Credits event. Then click Looks and place a hide block under the When Flag Clicked event. Place a show block under the When I Receive Credits. Try it out by clicking the green flag, then the broadcast block to broadcast the message Credits. Okay, great. The backdrop sprite now appears. Now you need to program the text to appear in the same way. Click on the text sprite, then drag out a When Flag Clicked and a When I Receive Credits event again. Then attach a hide block to the flag event and a show block to the credits event. Try it out the same way. Test it a few times. What happens? Now it's your turn. First, paint a new sprite using the Paint Bucket tool. Second, paint a new sprite and add credit text, and add any additional costumes for each credit. Third, broadcast a credit message at the end of your story. Fourth, program both sprites to hide when the flag is clicked and show when credits is received. Then fifth, program the credit sprite to change costumes.